Hello families, this is Michael. Welcome to our channel, Hotcig Visual. In this video, I will have a brief introduction and unboxing of RDS kits. It is the newest brand from Hotcig. Well, why you call it RDS? R means R-Series. People know that we already have R150S, R233, and RSQ and Dome. But today, it is a pod mod kit. I prefer to call it a real pod mod kit because the DS means one chipset has dual systems. One is pod system, another is mod system. It is born for pod mods. Let's check it inside. Let's check the package. The below features: dual systems, 80 watts max power, faster charging. We use Type-C. Good refilling. It's very comfortable. Multi mesh coils. We have RM series coils from MTL to DL, followed by HMT. Beside packaged content, you will get a full set of accessories, so you're free to use whatever the model of. Color is amber. Let's check the inside. The user manual with different languages. Clean clothes to clean the surface of the device. Warranty card. Warning card for battery instructions. And social media card for Hotcig fans. So this is an RDS device. Dual systems. You can see there is one button, only one button. That is function key. I like the single function key very much because only one button can control all the menus. These two sides are airflow wave. Adjust it, airflow wave. And this is Type-C charging port. The screen. And this is RM port. PCTG material. Capacity is 4.2 milliliters. And you got two coils. One is MTL mesh coil 1.20 and MTL drip tip. They use together for MTL VP. And this one is RM1 mesh coil for bigger valves. And this one is DL drip tip. And Type-C charging cable. More importantly, you have a 510 thread adapter, so you are free to use whatever the model parts. The magnet is very strong, and the ampere is 25 mm. So next one, we put the battery inside. Battery cap. You can use the finger to rotate, or use something like this to rotate it. Positive pole, negative pole, positive pole into this side. and we put the coils. Make sure these two flat lines with these two flat lines in this direction. Pushing. And this is e-liquid hose, refilling hole. You can do like this or do like this, then start filling. It's easy. Put this drip tape. Unthread. Same thing. It's easy. If you want to pull it out, just finger is easy. Pull. Push. Or you do like this way. Make sure you have wait for 5 minutes and start firing the button. So check the screen. The default interface is mouth system. When you pull, make sure this place seated where in the bunker. So airflow control like this. The interface icon of pulse, icon of lock, resistance, voltage, and pulse, and beeping duration. When you change it, it's small system, and now it's pulse system. This is 1.2 ohms. It gives you 12 watts. The max power will be in this direction to reduce, in this direction to increase. The max power is 15 watts. Now we put the 0.3 ohm. This place sitting in this bunker. So it raised 0.3 ohm. It gives you 35 watts for recommendation. And the max power 40 watts. 35. So if you want to knock the function key, double click. It's knocked. Double click to unlock. So let's check the clouds. To be the max airflow, be the middle. To be the smallest. Okay, let's try the 1.20 MTL. 12 watts. Max airflow. To be the middle. The smallest. Next one, we check the interface. 3 clicks, 5 colors, white, green, yellow, red, blue. Choose any one you like. We don't suggest you to use more system when you use the RM port because the output is too strong. And now we check to 510 adapter, more system. So the interface is different. 3 clicks, you will get power, volt, bypass, temperature, corners, port, and exit. You'll get more functions. By the way, the output, the firing speed is 0.004 seconds, and the max output will be 35 amps. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel Hotcig Official on YouTube. Follow our main page on Facebook and Instagram. Drop a comment and click likes. See you next review.